And we do not want Mr. Purshouse interviewed for the probation report. And I will be submitting a defense statement pursuant to Penal Code Section 1203.01 to go to CDCR along with the probation
To be
report.
incorporated in that file.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, having said that, any legal cause why judgment should not be pronounced?
No, would the court like the time credits?
Yes, you can do that.
I believe there's 1,390 days of actual time served.
Okay.
That's calculated from February 15th, 2020 to today's date.
All right, noted.
He was out on bail, but he was wearing an ankle bracelet. So I believe those days also should be included in the credits.
So the amount that you gave is the aggregate of all of that?
Correct.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes?
as far as restitution, I have submitted documents for restitution to the Victims' Compensation Board in the amount of $7,500.
Got that?
And I have submitted documents to the defense for restitution to the victims' parents, Tom and Penny Howark, in the amount, I believe it's about $25,000. There may be a dispute as to dates. We're hoping we can resolve that issue on a later date without, I don't believe, I think counsel will waive the presence of her attorney for that purpose.
I believe Mr. Purshouse will waive his
All right.
presence.
Do you want me to order it today, and then if it needs to be tweaked or modified, the court will do so at that time?
I think we'd like to just have the amount determined at a later date.
Okay, I can certainly order the Victims' Compensation Board amount.
Right, that, I
$7,500.
don't think there's a dispute.
Right, but there remains
fine.
the $25,103.95.
Right.
All right, for lodging and travel and parking and meals and so forth.
Right, I think counsel wants to dispute some of that amount, so we could do that at a later date. The $7,500 for the Victims' Compensation Board, I don't believe there's any dispute as to that amount.
So do you want me to set a date in the future, or do you want to notify my clerk when you've reached an agreement and then calendar it at that point?
I think the court's going to need to make the determination.
Right, but do you want me to, once you've reached that, the court can then set it, and then you can advise the court as to what you've reached?
We won't be able to agree.
Okay,
It's
you
gonna-
won't be
I'm
able
going to
to
ask
agree?
for the full amount of the $25,000.
Oh, I thought you guys were going to try to work it out. I misunderstood.
No,
Okay.
it's a